Hi everyone, Jack is at the flower market today, so I'll be destroying his kitchen table with some mini roses. I have everything I need laid out and ready. I want to make a shohin bonsai, which means it's going to be about this height, between 13 to 20 centimeters tall. I won't know which pot I'll use yet until I take the tree out of the pot. This one looks interesting because of its visible roots. Let's take it out and have a closer look. I'll begin by removing some of the old akadama soil. You can use your fingers, a chopstick, or a root rake. I have to clean up this whole mess before Jack and Linda get back. There's not much on here, so I removed it fairly quickly. Let's put them into some of the pots and see which ones look the best. This glazed ceramic pot looks okay. This Mame Bonsai pot is a bit too small for this tree. This one is not tall enough. I may just go with this one. If I choose a bigger pot, I would be able to plant it with a rock, but let's keep it simple. To make it fit into the pot better, I will remove some of the roots. They will grow back very quickly if it survives the repotting. Now it can fit a little bit better. Some soil at the bottom can raise it up higher if it needs to be. This pot has 2 drainage holes. They will have to be covered with mesh to stop the soil from leaking out when watering. Measure twice, cut once, and prepare the bonsai wire. Add a layer of akadama soil to the bottom of the pot. The roots like to have a layer underneath so they can grow down into it. Put the wire through the roots and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hint hint. Wrap the wire around the trunk at a 45-degree angle with even spacing. This will hold the tree in the pot. Start adding layers of soil and use a chopstick to push soil under the roots. This will make it even more secure in the pot. It will stop it from wobbling. Don't forget to add fertilizer after the roots and leaves begin to grow again. Let's give it a haircut. The leaves will grow back very quickly. It's one of the fastest growing species we work with here. Next up, we have a much smaller one. This one could fit into the tiny mame pot. We shall see. Let's remove the leaves and take it out of the pot. I can actually move this fast in real life if I drink enough coffee. You should see me. Get all of the soil off of the roots and give it a trim so it can fit in the pot. This fits perfectly in this pot. I love being right. This is Lily's first time behind the camera. Let me know what you think of her camera work in the comments down below. Now this pot has only one drainage hole, So we need to do some wire bending magic. You can learn how to do this by watching the video How to Prepare Bonsai Pots. I'll leave a link in the top right of the video and the description. Drop a piece of mesh down the wire to cover that drainage hole. Add a layer of soil to the bottom and put the tree in. I think it needs to be higher in the pot, so I'll add more soil to the bottom. The tree may not survive unless you hit that subscribe button. I have 2 arms of wire here, so I can twist it around the trunk. This is another technique you can try. If you tie it low enough, you can cover the wire with soil so you can't see it. Jack taught me that. Add the top layer of Akadama soil and it's good to go. Next up, I'm going to show you what not to do when making a cascading bonsai. I have only been practicing for a year, so I'm still a beginner. I have used a rectangular pot to make a cascading bonsai style. This is a no-go, and I have angered the bonsai gods. Do not use rectangular pots for cascading bonsai. Lesson learned. But I'm going to show you anyway so you can learn from my mistakes and hopefully not make them yourself. Jack came to the rescue and repotted it for me the next day. Thanks, Jack. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to hit like, the subscribe button and bell notification button if you want the trees to live. Thank you.